Morning class. Welcome to VPS e-learning again. I'm your English teacher Madhulika Devati. Class, as we are doing English chapter number 6, no further than Mandya. We have completed explanation of first two pages. Now I will explain next. In short, I'm going to explain the chapter today. Means class, there are three boys. They are student of a boarding school in Hillside, but now they are living together in Bangalore because Nikhil father is not at home, and so he is living with his friend Robinson and Danny. And Robinson and Danny were English brother. English brother means they belong to England, but nowadays they are in India because their father is working in a Indian company in Bangalore, and this is the time of summer vacation, and they decided to uh, journey by bicycle from Bangalore to Mandya, from Bangalore to Mussoorie, but they stopped in between Mandya, and they were so tired, and one of them fell in a ditch, and that's why they decided to stop their journey. So class, I will explain it in detail. This is the short information about the story. Class. On Sunday morning, the boys set off very early. They had packed food, a tin, sleeping bags, rope, tin plates and cups, some spare clothes, the map, a small camera, and pumped other things. Means they collected all the useful things for their journey, and they set off very early in the morning. They made their way through quite a street and were soon out in the countryside. Countryside means class town here. They reached at the town area. And by 9 o'clock, the sun was beating down on their back, and their aching muscles began to feel the strain. They panted, the puffed, but did not give in. At 10 o'clock, Danny stopped by a brook running alongside the road and leaned his bicycle against a large tree. I need wash and drink, he groaned. I am parched. Robin and Nikhil circled around for a bite, then joined him. I'm not sure you should drink the water, continued Robin, carefully splashing some on his face to cool off. मीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा हीट हो गई थी, तो वो डैनी को बहुत प्यास लग रही थी, तो वो थोड़ी देर एक ब्रूक के पास, ब्रूक मीन्स का पॉन्ड, और जैसे विलेज में होते हैं, अगर आप गए हो कभी तो देखे हो, तो वहाँ पे रुकता है और बहुत he said to wash the face and drink some water. Robin said that it is not good for you if you drink the water of the brook. And then the boy feeling fresh, and then they relax for some time and drink the water, and Robin carefully splashed some water on his face. मीन्स जो वाटर उनके पास था उसको उन्होंने यूज किया. The boy feeling fresh mounted their bicycle and continued their journey. A kilometer down the road, they came across some village women washing their clothes in the same brook. मीन्स जो ब्रूक था, मीन्स जो तालाब था वो बहुत बड़ा था, और 1 किलोमीटर के बाद जब उन्होंने देखा तो some women were washing their clothes on the same brook. That's Robin said that with some satisfaction. I told you to don't drink the water of this brook because it is not good for the health. By 2 o'clock, when the sun was at the fire set, the boy reached Mandya. They did not stop there long for fear of attracting attention. They bought a fake orange at a stall and moved on. Means by 2 o'clock they were in Mandya, a place near Mussoorie, and they decided to not spend so much time here because the place was very attractive and full of wild animal and wildlife, and they bought some orange and then moved on. With Mandya behind them, Nikhil and Robinson stopped to peel their orange. Danny just watched. When the orange had been peeled, Robin and Nikhil stuck at the segment as the cycle along the. It was that Danny, releasing the handlebar of his bicycle, began cycling like a circus performance. This is how you should peel your orange, shouted Danny, holding up his penknife and on orange for the other to see. The orange in his left hand, the penknife in the other hand. other were brought together dramatically. Then he made the cut. Means Nikhil and Robin stopped for some time to peel off the orange. Then Danny was watching them, and Robin and Nikhil peel off the oranges and sucked at the segment, divided it in the segment, and they started eating it. It was then Danny is saying that it is not the way to peel off the knife, and he released the handlebar of his bicycle and began cycling like a circus boy. जैसे सर्कस में हम लोग देखते हैं ना कि जिग जैग करते रहते हैं जो जोकर वगैरह रहते हैं, तो वैसे वो साइकिलिंग करने लगा. और now he is saying that I will show you how to cut the orange, how to peel off the orange. And he took orange on one hand and another hand a penknife and try to cutting the orange, peel off the orange. The bicycle toppled over a frying pan. The 3 tin mug clattered along the steaming road. A large bag on the carriage ripped open and its contents spilled out. Danny lay writhing in agony, clutching his left hand. मीन्स और वो जब ये सब ड्रामेटिकली शो कर रहा था तो वो उसकी जो बाइसिकल है वो गिर जाती है और वो भी गिर जाता है, और जो सारे सामान थे उसके बैग में सारे के सारे सामान गिर जाते हैं. उसके हाथ में कट लग जाता है, वो अपना हाथ पकड़ के वहाँ पे बैठ जाता है. Class, this is long story, so it will take time, so listen it very carefully. Nikhil and Robin pulled up sharply, dropped their bicycle and rushed over. There was blood everywhere because of the cut off penknife. They dropped their bicycle and go for the help of Danny, and there were blood everywhere. I have cut through my finger, groaned Danny. Get help quick, stop the bleeding. Nikhil took out the handkerchief. Handkerchief means like hanky. Not the cleanest item around. Means they don't have any other item. And Danny clapped it tightly, means उसको tightly बांध देता है to stop the bleeding. But the cut was deep. The cut was very deep and the bleeding was not stopping. The boys had to get Danny to a hospital quickly. Stop, they yelled, trying to flag down. Flag down, class means waving their hand to the passing vehicles, but not one stopped. Some so slow to have a look at this odd scene, but then hurried on their way. Means कुछ लोग ने रुका और थोड़ा देर देखे, but वो जल्दी में थे और वो चले गए. At last, a scooter stopped. The rider jumped but agreed to take Danny to the hospital in Mandir. Means एक स्कूटर से एक आदमी जा रहा था, वो थोड़ा सा पहले मना करता है, फिर बाद में तैयार हो जाता है. Don't worry, Danny, cried Nikhil as the scooter sped off in a cloud of dust. We will come and find you. Means आप तुम जाओ उसके साथ, हम लोग पीछे पीछे आ रहे हैं. If we can find the hospital, added Robinson less positively. Means Robin have a doubt where in the such wild area there were any hospital or not. Nikhil and Robin tried Danny's thing back on the bicycle. Means they collected all the thing on their bicycle. They then tried to cycling along using one hand to steer their own bicycle while pushing Danny with the free hand. And after repeating attempt to keep on the straight course, the boys gave up and walked. Means वो उसको कोशिश करते हैं कि वो तीनों साइकिल एक साथ लेकर के चल पाए, बट थोड़ी दूर चलते हैं फिर वो छोड़ देते हैं, नहीं हो पाता है उनसे. A farmer carrying a sack on his bicycle pedaled past them. Why don't you push it and ride at the same time? He inquired, smiling at their stupidity. We tried, replied Nikhil, but the bike keeps going off the road. Here, let me show you, he said, taking charge. You city children don't learn anything in school. The farmer soon speeding along by balancing the sack on his own bicycle and steering Danny's with ease. The boy found it an effort to keep up. He stopped in the town to drop off his sack and then showed the boy to the hospital. The boy parked their bicycle and went to the inquire about Danny. They found him sitting on a bench in a corridor, his hand bandaged and looking pale and worn out. I have had the awful time, he groaned. The scooter fellow took me to a doctor down some back street. The doctor wanted to put iodine on the cut. I knew it would burn too, so I told him not to. The scooter fellow then brought me here, grumbling all the way. I have had 15 stitches, but I will have to see a surgeon when I get home. The tendon is cut. I can't move my finger. Having you eaten anything? Asked Robin. No, said Danny. Do you want orange? Asked Nikhil. If you peel it for me, said Danny. Robin sniggered. Late the night, Danny and Robinson's father arrived in a borrowed ambassador to take the boy back to Bangalore. 2 bicycles were tied to the roof rack and one inside the boot. The boys, despondent, tired, curled up on the back seat. Some camping trip, mumbled Nikhil, dodging off to dream of tiger and the 4-horned antelope. Means वो जो स्कूटर वाला रहता है वो निखिल वो डैनी को हॉस्पिटल पहले एक डॉक्टर के पास ले जाता है, तो वो डॉक्टर बोलता है मैं इसमें कट में आयोडीन डालूंगा, तो डैनी ने रिफ्यूज़ किया कि नहीं मुझे इससे प्रॉब्लम होगी, बहुत पेन होगा। फिर जो स्कूटर वाला था उसको दूसरे हॉस्पिटल में ले गया, तो उसको 15 स्टिचेस उसको कट में लग गए। और जो रॉबिन्सन थे और निखिल वो उसके बाइसिकल को लेकर के जा रहे थे, तो उनसे बैलेंस नहीं हो पाया और वो बाइसिकल को छोड़ दी। तो फिर एक मैन रहता है जो अपनी साइकिल से जाता रहता है, वो उनकी हेल्प करता है और बोलता है कि आप लोग को सिटी वाले को कुछ आता नहीं है, आई विल हेल्प यू। फिर वो सैक वाला उनको हॉस्पिटल में छोड़ता है, वहाँ पे डैनी का ट्रीटमेंट होता है। और फिर डैनी से रॉबिन्सन आस्क्ड टू डैनी, डू यू वांट टू ईट समथिंग? एंड डैनी सेड, यस, इफ़ यू फील ऑफ ऑरेंज फॉर मी देन आई विल eat it. And then रॉबिन्सन और रॉबिन एंड डैनी के फादर आते हैं। बोरोड एम्बेसडर, बोरोड मीन्स रेंटेड एम्बेसडर, जो मांग के या फिर रेंट पे लेके, एम्बेसडर मीन्स अ कार लेके आते हैं और सबको बैठा के एम्बेसडर में ले जाते हैं। और साइकिल जो रहती है उसकी एम्बेसडर के रूफ में 2 साइकिल रहती है और 2 को वो बैक साइड में बांध करके ले जाते हैं। और उन लोग बहुत ही अच्छी वाली ट्रिप का प्लान किया था, मगर हाउ द ट्रिप यू नो वेरी वेल। तो क्लास दिस इज लिटिल टफ, some difficult words and difficult meaning are there, but chapter is very interesting. Class, read the chapter twice and then watch the video, then it will be easier to you to get the meaning of the chapter. Okay, in the next video I will explain word meaning and hard word.